Alright, so I'm back with the sword and I've got it all textured. I'll show you what it looks like textured. There it is. Got this glow on it. Have this inscription across the blade. And I'm going to bring that inscription in, and it will only be seen inside of the blood channel that's in the center of the blade. You can't see it now because it's overwhelmed by this writing on the blade. So anyway, I've got it textured, and let's have a little close-up of the handle here if I can. So there's the texture for the handle and the pommel, and the guard has some scratches on it, as you can see. And that's it for the sword for now. And I will continue in the next video when I get the inscription inside of the blood channel. So we'll do that in the next video.